Alright, so this is what happened to the backhoe yesterday, and I wasn't even using the backhoe. I was just using the front end loader to get some dirt and was driving with the backhoe on the tractor, and it literally broke off. So you can see the crappy metal there, and it just split right at both welds. So the welding is not that good. So once again, having had it back a week from the last fix, which I had to pay half for, which was another metal failure, structural failure on it. So this is what you get when you get an LS backhoe. This one's the 3100 series. It's supposed to be the heavy duty, supposed to have 3,100 pounds of braking force and all that. I've never even had the backhoe at max power. Usually have it at about half, just because I've had so many issues with this thing. It's just a piece of crap. So completely worthless piece of equipment. Do not buy one unless you want to have the same experiences as I've had and have the same experiences with LS. First time they didn't want to fix it because they said it wasn't their fault, even though it was a structural fail up here. That one broke right there. The second time it broke, this cylinder down here broke apart right back in there. Third one, can't even really see it, right down in there is where it broke, and the dealer, they made that a lot beefier, which it should have been beefier to begin with. It's holding all that weight. It's supposed to be able to do everything. Now the fourth one, right here, the whole subframe cracked in half. Can't even have it on the tractor. Can't even get it to the dealer or anything, which I'm done with doing that. So this is what you expect with a LS backhoe. Hope this helps anyone. I wish I would have found someone that did this when I was looking at these. Everyone said, oh, they're great machines and stuff. They are not. They are a complete piece of crap. The metal is horrible. It looks like wrought iron. So once again, LS 3100 backhoe, this is what you get.